The Lord found him hiding, threshing wheat in the dark. Tear down your father's altar, build something holy. Chained skies, threshing in shadows, paralyzed. Midian devours everything you sow. A nation starved by the seeds you grow. But God calls out from the flame. Mighty warrior, he speaks your name. Not what you are, but what I'll make stand. In the fear, watch idols break. Tear down Baal, cut the grove, burn the lies your father chose. Night obedience, quiet flame. God will turn your fear to faith. Not by numbers, not by might. 300 stand, prepare to fight! Tear down the altars, burn them all. Every idol, every wall. We've traded truth for what we crave. Now we're dancing on our graves. Call us back from the edge again. Break our chains, convict our sin. We don't need comfort, we need the King to crush the dark and everything. Trumpets sound, jars collide. Light breaks out in the dead of night. Enemy scatters, fear takes hold. God wins the war with the weak and bold. But victory fades, he takes the gold. Builds an idol, just like old. The judge who stood now leads astray. A nation drifting again away. No fear of God, power built on brother's blood. Fire consumes what pride is made. A woman's hand is then displayed. False authority, false crown. God will tear the tyrant down. We build our kingdoms, we call it right, but God sees through the darkest night. Tear down the altars, burn them all. Every idol, every wall. We traded truth for what we crave. Now we're dancing on our graves. Call us back from the edge again. Break our chains, convict our sin. We don't need comfort, we need the King to crush the dark and everything. Set apart from his birth to rise, strength like thunder, fire in his eyes. But lust took hold, his vision dimmed. He played with sin and it played with him. Delilah's whisper, chains disguised. He gave away what God had prized. Eyes put out, grinding in shame. A fallen judge with a broken name. But in the end he bows his head. Remember me, the final breath. The pillars fall, the temple shakes. God still moves through shattered faith. Tear it down. Molech, Asheroth, blood on hands. We call it growth. Lust, greed, filth, pride. Modern altars, we justify. This is war. Repent, turn back, or watch your nation fade to black. We've built our idols, clean and refined, hidden in screens, hidden in mind. Children sacrificed, not by flame, but convenience dressed in a different name. We feast on lust, we baptize greed. We call it freedom, we call it need. But death still reigns where truth is denied. A culture of death, we've justified. Church, arise, don't bow, don't bend. Preach the truth until the end. Jesus Christ. He opened our eyes. Tear down the altars in our hearts. Let true revival finally start. Holy, set apart we stand. For the cross, for the Lamb. In those days, there was no king. But now, Christ reigns.